a gambling man, we got in a poker game.
Got in poker game, got in poker game.
Money in the pot, we dealt the cards around. Caught him dealing from the bottom of the deck, so I shot the gambler down.
Shot the gambler down, shot the gambler down.
Got a number 9 of fame. Gordon said as he slammed the door, you gambled your last day.